Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How was the exam?
Easy.
It was easy, na? Humaira, is this drawing? You might have it is taught you in the class itself, na? The
Yes.
drawing in your background. I've seen in some group, I think. It's drawn by you.
Yes, ma'am.
Nice, na?
Thank you.
Okay. So anything you want me to discuss about examination?
Ma'am, can you please tell marks?
Marks? Marks I have
Ma'am, we
sub.
got our marks.
Yeah, I have. You got your mark? I send it to Christina, ma'am. She is
Yes,
going
ma'am, we
to.
got.
So who asked me for marks? If somebody gets, means everyone would be got the marks, no? Yes, I
No,
have.
ma'am. Marks.
Ma'am had sent yesterday on your email.
Just check your email. You will get all your marks. Individually, I don't remember everybody's marks. Otherwise, I have to open my sheet. So it's better you just check your email or contact Christina, ma'am. She will give you your mark sheet. Okay, I have submitted all the marks. It is done. Anyways, okay. So the thing is, what I have perceived is, I think we have completed with our syllabus. We don't have any chapter left behind. Is if some chapter you want to discuss or something you want to learn, then I will teach that. Otherwise, we will move into some other things. So just have a look in the syllabus first. Just few seconds we will take in this. I think we have done. We have discussed also that we have done these things. Only fifth chapter was left behind, multimedia, that we have done. Yes. So 1, 2, 3. Yes, you people have shown me your programs of Scratch, na? Third and fourth, based on the third and fourth chapter. See, do you want to learn some specific commands in Scratch? You have done with the Scratch. You showed me your programs. And as I remember, some game you have shown me, na? Something I feel like Abdullah also showed me some good projects created in Scratch. Isn't so?
Yes, ma'am, I was making only on that day you saw, ma'am. I did watch and all that.
Feel like. So, do anyone want me to discuss third or fourth chapter? Show you how to create programs. You can
Ma'am,
create
Scratch is
game.
very easy, ma'am. We have done
Yes,
it
I know.
before also.
So you have created games of how a parrot or a bird can be move here and there and chase their dinner and something like that. We have done with multimedia. What about this? This also you have done with Ria ma'am, no? Number and data in the pizza snacks bar.
We did
Yes,
Excel,
ma'am,
ma'am.
we
We
did.
completed Excel.
Yes, you have completed with Excel. Actually, now tell me, this chapter, chapter 6, you have done in Excel. Did we discuss this chapter on spreadsheet?
Yes,
No.
we all. No. We only did on Excel. You told.
You were saying that we will do it on Google Sheets, but you did not.
Yes. Okay. So today we will learn how to do these things in Google Sheets, because nowadays the world is working with Google Sheets. And can anyone tell me why we are using Google Sheets instead of MS Excel? We have MS Excel in hand.
We can work in a team, ma'am, together.
So that we
can work
with the
Yes. Google gave us a workspace.
On
That is why it is all the, see, when we go in the Google page, what we have this app folder. And when we go into Google Apps, there are so many things included. In these things are called as Google Workspace. Why it is called as Workspace? Because a team of few members and some around, if your industry, you have an industry of around 300 people, then you can access same sheet with many of your friends, and you can discuss, you can correlate, you can create a project all together. But in Excel, you have to save your data, then you have to send it by an email, and then they will update the data and send you back. But now in the same sheet, you can work together. Yes, Ibrahim, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, Google Slides and Google Sheets are different or they are one?
Yes, they are different. Sheets are working like MS Excel. Slides will work you for presentation, and docs will work you for MS Word.
Word document.
Word document. So if you want to write literature kind of thing, stories, where you have a lot and lot of words you need to write it down, then you will use docs. If you want to make the columns, figures, you want to analyze those figures, you want to create charts out of it, then you will use MX Excel sheets. So instead of Excel, you are going to use Google Sheets. You want to make
Google Docs.
Sorry, your voice was cracking.
Ma'am, we have used Google Docs.
You have used Google Docs. Okay.
Ma'am, Google Sheets and Google Slides, they are from Microsoft only, or they are the sponsor?
No. They are from Google. Google is a company, you know, na? Google is a very big company. And this,
yes, but they stole the idea of Microsoft, no? That
of course, this is the competition world. They are going, it's called as a cutthroat market. Google will create all the things that has been provided by various small software companies. And some of the software companies created the software and it was absorbed by some other bigger company. They buy those softwares and name them according to their company. So Microsoft was a landmark. It was in a building block. It has created initial programs, and what they did, Google's scientists, engineers, technical staff of Google, they absorbed all those things and they amended those things. They have created something new into it and created sheets. So it will work as similar as MS Excel, but with advanced features into it. That's the difference only. So yes, they do this thing. Even you can see this small products as well. If you find a soap, have you recognized that initially we were looking for the beauty soaps, and the soaps for man are different and women are different, using different soap with different fragrances. But now as soon as Patanjali came into the market, then what happened? People started looking into Ayurvedic products and the soap with the natural ingredients. Then we can see that natural ingredients come in the toothpaste also, and hair wash, body wash also. So what has happened? Each and every company produces the same kind of product, and even in the advertisement, they are pulling the leg of the other companies. Like I remember one advertisement when initially Colgate started with introducing salt inside the toothpaste. So what other company says, what the difference? अभी लौंग भी डाल दो, सौंफ भी डाल दो, सारा मसाला डाल देंगे तो क्या दांत साफ हो जाएंगे? No, don't do this. Go with the babool. This kind of so they do these things. Huh? First they just steal the ideas, and then they started creating their own and showing that their
but they don't mention the company name because they don't want to get sued up.
Yes, actually it's a legal agreement. You can't just take the company's name like that. But in few of the advertisement I have seen that they are using the company name, they are using the surveys and comparisons. But
some movies they like they crack jokes on other companies.
Yes, of course they crack jokes. And sometimes what happened, company itself pay them to crack jokes on them. Why? To get the negative publicity. Publicity is a publicity. In Hindi we said, "Badnaam हुए तो क्या हुआ? नाम तो हुआ." People recognize you. If you are in negative impact also, nowadays it is a latest technology, latest smart act that you create a negative publicity of yours. Then people start searching for you. And when they start searching for you and they have a perspective of negativeness in you, then what they will see, if a single deed of goodness can be seen, then it will be a bigger thing for them. So people start appreciating, people start appraising the people. It is happening all around. The negative publicity is also another factor. So yes, these are the things that is happening in the market. People are what see such a huge crowd we are having. So how they will do, and how every time we can get new ideas, we just pull out the legs of the other one. And yes, you can't name any company, you can't copy the name of any company. There are some copyrights, there are some legal formalities. Before doing any deed, just look into the legality around the code of conducts. Okay. So yes, anything else you want to discuss? Shall we proceed? Okay. Say something. Hello, am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, you are
Clearly.
audible.
All of the sudden there is a huge silence. So I thought that something happened. Okay, the most important thing. Can you see one more eye-capturing thing, that YouTube is also connected with our Gmail? Have you
Yes.
recognized this thing?
Because YouTube has Gmail account now. So with Gmail account, YouTube is available.
Yes.
Yes,
Actually, you can view YouTube as like that only, but nowadays you can see that. See, whenever I start using my this Google Chrome, uh, in previous days it does not happen. After updating the Google, it asks me which account you want to use to open your Google Chrome. So it will link everything according to that particular account, and then it start working accordingly, and you can even switch to your account from this place. See, here I am using one ID, and in the second tab I'm going to use another ID. And
Ma'am, no, the small one, the one behind the star.
yes, I can do from here also, I can do from here also, no problem. I can switch my account from here also. See, I can add my account over here, no problem. We can take any of the two.
Ma'am,
Mhm.
if we create an account in Microsoft, then our computer will get slow.
No, it's not like that. My computer will become slow.
No, I was just asking.
No, nothing. Just the computer's efficiency will become slow only if you upload lots of data inside it. If the memory is started filling up, then your computer will start. Um,
Then you have to store
Speed will be
the
slow.
data in
Yes.
pen drive or hard drive.
Hard drive itself is your memory that is inbuilt inside your computer system or laptop. You can take your data in pen drive, yes, or else what the thing you can do, you delete all the data that is none of your use. Sometimes we downloaded lots of movies, and what I have did in previous days, it's around 1 year I am using the Zoom classes, and I have recorded all my sessions. So all the files are downloaded in my PC. So just a week ago, I found my PC was getting very slow. My laptop was just working very slow. And as soon as went to the downloaded part, there are so many recordings. So and Zoom recording take a lot of space. I've deleted all the recording, and now my system is working very fast. Second thing, what you can do, even with your mobile phone or your laptop or your tablet, anything. First thing, just start deleting the unused files, then your processor will work very faster. What happened, when we save some data in our computer system, data does not go like एक के पीछे एक नहीं जाता है. वो all memory के पास जाता है और like if I am having a square box ना, so it will go here and there. Like one packet of data is here, one packet of data will be here, one packet of data will be here. So at the time when you retrieve the data, it searches for the path and find it out. And when you have uploaded a lot of document inside your computer system, if suppose this screen is your memory space, then what happens? उसको ऐसा जाके ढूंढना पड़ता है. So it becomes difficult for the processor, and that's why the processor becomes slow. When you delete all the unused data, unwanted data, then the path becomes very smoother for them, and so the processor works very fast. The second thing what you can do, save all the data what is very useful for you in a pen drive or something, and format your PC. Sometimes when we are using internet in our PC, where our lots of unwanted files by themselves come in our computer system in the form of phishing. Some phishing mails are there, some unwanted file in the form of virus are there. And since our computer system is quite efficient enough, so it won't hamper our data due to those files. But yes, these files take the space in our system and make our system slow. So try to remove all these things and it will start processing faster. No need, if you are logging in any data, any website, that does not hamper your work. Not at all. Yes, one more thing. If we are making these sheets, documents, slides, see whatever we here with the Google Workspace, if I'm forming and saving them inside, so it will save in our Google account. My Google account will be having a particular space with Google, the company Google. It has created a memory space for us, and everything is going to stored under Anubha Agrawal. And when this space is also getting lesser, when I start just saving a lot of stuff inside, then it may happen that my Google account works slowly. So what again you have to do? You have to delete all unwanted files. Okay, now let's begin with Sheet. What you have to do, you have to go to Google Apps. It will open up with all your Google Workspace. You can see your Gmail account is here, your Drive is here, your Slides is here. Yes, whatever the data you are saving in Google account, all the data has such a huge space that you can save it for long. Go to Sheets, and here are the sheets. So how you are going to start working with Sheet? Just click into this plus sign. It will give you a new spreadsheet. See, the spreadsheet is in the form of MS Excel spreadsheet, right?
Yes.
Much better.
It's much better. How you can say that? All the features are there also
That
and here
was-
also.
Sorry, that was my sister and her.
अच्छा, okay. ये बहुत हो रहा है अभी. Okay. So now here I have this spreadsheet. So now I can rename this spreadsheet. I can rename as Tesla 1. Okay. See the options. You can open any sheet over here. You can import the sheet from any sources. You can even make the copy of the sheet. Now, with this option share, you can share the sheet with others also. See to whom I want to share. Can you give me somebody's email account? I have some email account with me. किसका है भाई? तुम लोग को कभी होगा? किसी का नाम बताओ. अब्दुल्ला तुम्हारा पर्सनल है क्या?
Ma'am, I have.
Yeah.
And I also have.
Anyone's. Tell me some. मेरे पास है
Yeah,
क्योंकि तुम लोगों ने सेव भेजा है ना मुझे मेल बहुत सारा.
Muhammad.Muhammadi to.
Okay, Mohammed. Just a minute.
Ma'am, MUH.
Mohammed.
Dot
Dot
Muhammadi.
Mo-
MOHAMAD.
Right?
Ma'am, E. No, ma'am. MOHMEDY.
ये सेव क्यों नहीं है मेरे पास?
E
तुमने भेजा
and
तो था मेल.
erase the E, ma'am.
ये y हटा दूं, e लग दूं?
No, ma'am. Erase the E, put the Y.
Okay. ठीक है.
Two, ma'am. No, ma'am. It's Mohammed.Mohammadi2@gmail.com.
Now I want somebody else also. I want someone else to share this sheet with me. Yes, tell me another's name, another email ID.
sayyedmunib@gmail.com.
ठीक है. Just yes. Okay.
No, ma'am, that's not me. That's not me.
So who is this?
I don't know. I have double E. It's I over there. In Munib.
In Munib you want, no?
And I have double E instead of I.
Okay.
And that's not my email. I don't have that profile picture.
अच्छा fine. कोई बात नहीं. I'm changing it. ठीक है. हाँ 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 हाँ. अब ठीक है.
Yes.
Anyone else want to share the same file?
Ma'am, can I say mine?
This is your.
Yes, ma'am, that's me.
Okay, next. Yeah, anyone. I'm going to share this file with so many people. So you will do all the editing and then we'll see what editing we have done
Ma'am.
together. Yes.
Okay. Rizwani Yahya.
What? Sorry.
R-I.
R-I.
Z.
Z. Rizwani.
Yes,
Yahya.
Rizwani.
Yahya.
Dot 2009.
Dot 2009.
@gmail.com.
Okay.
Can I tell mine?
Yeah, sure.
Unless moment 2109.
Last moment.
2106 09.
Okay. Phone number दे रहे हो क्या? Pin code.
@gmail.com.
That's 21st June 2009.
Yeah,
Your
ma'am, my
birthday. Your birthday. Okay, fine. So if I send this, I click into the send button, then what happened? The same sheet will be shared with you, and whatever work you are doing in your sheet, the same can I see over here. Okay. One more thing that we can do. See, I am sending to all of you. Just going.
And we will get this on Gmail.
Yeah, in the same mail account that you have given over here. You will find the sheet over there. When I was started sharing the sheet with these people, you might have seen a copy link commands over here. Okay, sorry, कुछ हुआ? अरे, sorry. मैंने back button दबा दिया तो वो रुक गया. Anyways, you can see the link over here also. I can copy the link from this point and I can share the link with all of you, and you can then also you can access the sheet. I am doing that. Just a second. See, this is the link of the file. In the chat box, there is a link. You can go into the link. You will access the sheet at this particular place also. Yes.
Ma'am, the link is not here.
You didn't get the link? How it happened? Let me see. क्या हुआ? Open करो इस link को.
Ma'am, where?
Ma'am, link मिली
In the
नहीं.
chat box. In the chat
No,
box.
No, ma'am.
There is no link in the chat.
I've just posted. I have just clicked the chat box and I can able to access this.
Ma'am, you can resend it so we can see.
Yeah,
it.
I am sending it again. Don't.
Or should we share our Gmail ID?
Yeah, just a minute. I'll do the both the things. No. See, now did you get the link? Got the link from in the chat box?
Ma'am, I did not get.
No, ma'am.
Hey, Mohammed has written no link. I did not receive a link.
अच्छा एक मिनट ये क्या हो रहा है ये आयशा बगदादी को क्यों जा रहा है मेरा मैसेज ये पूरा आयशा बगदादी को चला गया है मेरा मैसेज मुझे इसमें सेटिंग में कुछ हो गया है
I mean, I have to do it to everyone.
यस टू एवरीवन या वो उस वजह से आप लोगों को नहीं मिल पा रहा है अभी देखो सबको आएगा सी
Yeah, ma'am, now got it. Receive.
It is
Ma'am, I
showing
sent
for
you the
request.
request. Ma'am, you
Ma'am,
haven't.
I also sent you the access request.
I also sent the access request.
अच्छा अच्छा एक मिनट मेरा
If
सब
you
बंद
share on Zoom now, then like we can't access this for
यस
first you have
यस
to.
ऑफ कोर्स अगर मैं तुमको मेल भेजती ना तो तुम उसमें से आराम से उसको एक्सेस कर सकते थे अच्छा
Ma'am,
एक
I
one
don't
more
know what-
important thing
Ma'am,
is that yes
Ma'am, it is showing something else in my slide. Can you see?
just a minute
Certificate I have.
अच्छा पहले एक important चीज सुनो have you seen that I have everyone please listen to me something important is that have you seen that all of the sudden I've closed all the windows by mistake I have clicked into the cross button to every window so my Google account was closed but still my file is there nothing has been asked for me to save the file because Google Sheet automatically save the data I don't have to save it again and again and I don't have to worry about losing the data if my power get cut or somehow by accidentally I just close the windows but my data won't be lost any of the time okay so this is the one thing now about the access so I think I have to go to my mail account for your access okay see I have got so many requests. So now I have to give you the approval. Then only you will be able to see this file. तो अभी क्या मैं सबको एक एक करके अप्रूव करना पड़ेगा मुझे अच्छा अभी एक और चीज बताओ why my processor is working in a slow mode it is not working fast can you tell me
Ma'am, because too many emails came at one time.
but I have opened only one mail account na? And I am using one account only right now I have closed the rest
Because
all.
the data is saved. Because the data is saved.
See so many requests at once only. That is why.
No it is slow because I am doing so
Ma'am,
many
you
work
haven't
together
given me request till yet, ma'am. You haven't accessed my request.
एक मिनट रुको भाई क्या क्या
Ma'am, what we have to do in the spreadsheet?
I'm telling
Like,
you
do we have to
spreadsheet you
make
have
something?
to yes you have to make something then only you will understand how it will work अरे इसमें एक बटन आता है जो ये कहता है कि एक्सेस प्रोवाइड करो। You have to create something in the MS Excel. So what we will do in Excel, चलो मैं ना इसको क्लास के बाद I will allow all the access to everyone, and here I am showing you how I am going to share with help of a email account. So it was यहाँ तुम्हारे में क्या था, रया रिजवानी और yeah, where are you?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
will give the access where you have click into the link. I'll give you the access of the sheet, and then you all
Ma'am,
will do
it is.
the.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have clicked the link, ma'am. I
Yeah,
need
yeah.
access till yet.
Yes,
I
yes.
waited
I
with
will
that.
allow all the access after I just finish up the class, and I'll actually my process is going slow. Why? Because I'm using Zoom. I have opened my Google Workspace. I have opened my email account. I have opened my Drive, and with this GeoFiber, we are using. My daughter is also using the GeoFiber for her class in the Google Classroom, and the second one is using the internet with the television, and she is watching her rhymes. So what happened, because your internet connectivity is working and is divided into so many devices, that's why my processor is working slow. It is not able to do. Achha, one more important thing, whatever we are doing with the Google Workspace, it will eat up your internet. Okay, it will eat up your data. And if see what happening to me, because so many places my data is utilized, therefore my processor is slow. My process, it's actually not the processor thing, it's the thing of the internet issues there. Yes,
And we
yeah.
have to delete the files.
No, you don't have to
After.
delete the file. I'll allow the access just after the class. What happened, a few my internet speed will become fast, and I will allow the access faster. वो बहुत टाइम ले रहा है एक एक चीज को खोलने में.
Ma'am, it is Rizwani Aya, not Aya Rizwani. It's Rizwani Aya.
ओके 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 ओके. देखो हम शेयर ऐसे कर रहे थे यहाँ पर. आगे रिशवानी यार
2000.
2009.
Yes.
ओके.
Identity, madam.
Gmail. अभी देखना ये तुम्हारे पास मेल आएगा तो तुम्हें अलग एक्सेस मिलेगा डायरेक्टली. अभी तुमको ये एक्सेप्ट करना होगा. अभी जो तुम लोगों को मैंने लिंक भेजा उसमें मुझे तुम्हें अप्रूवल देने की जरूरत है. बट नाउ you will have to accept my request to edit this sheet. Okay. So ये दो तरीके से हम भेज सकते हैं चीजें. अच्छा, एक और किसने बोला था, अनास मोमिन ने बोला था ना मुझे. अनास मोमिन, मोहम्मद मोमडे ने भी बोला. ये अभी नहीं आता कुछ भी. और तुमने क्या बताया था अनास? 210609, right? I remember. And one I remember was actually why I am sharing right now, because I want all of you to do work in the same sheet. Yes.
Ma'am, I MUNMUHA
Okay.
and MU and dot Mohammadi. MUHAMMAD dot.
डबल एम है ना बीच में.
हाँ double M. And then MOH. नहीं MOH. नहीं MOHA.
Wait.
AMEDY. 2@gmail.com.
चलो, so मैं सेंड कर रही हूँ, आप देखना इसमें आपका मेल कैसा आएगा. अच्छा, one more thing. This account is from Hub School. So it asked me that our beyond Hub School, I'm sharing this file. And if I use my personal account, then it won't be asked because that is my personal space to work with. Achha, now what you will do, you have to create a worksheet. You have to create an Excel sheet. Let me write it down, the name of the students. Okay, and फिर हम और भी कुछ बनाएंगे अभी इसी से काम चलेगा.
Ma'am, I got the Google Sheet.
You got the Google
Ma'am, I
Sheet?
too.
Yes, because I have sent it with the help of a mail, and others I have to give access. I will give the access afterwards. ये बहुत slow चल रहा है. चलो फटाफट से नाम लिख देते हैं. अच्छा, किस किस को मिला है वो भी यहाँ पर नाम लिख सकते हो. मोहम्मद मोहम्मदे तुमको मिला होगा, अनास मोमिन तुमको मिला होगा. यहाँ पे नाम लिख के दिखाओ. Your class student Amina Aga. Leave a slide and write Amina Aga over here in the 5th position. One of you, Anas Momin or Muhammad Mohammed, who is doing? But I can't see. It should be here. I'm not able to see. Press enter.
Ma'am, you still did not accept my access.
नहीं, अभी जिसको मैंने मेल भेजा है ना, मोहम्मद मोमदे, अनास मोमिन और याहया रिजवानी, 3 of them could have the access.
Ma'am, it will not show me. You have to put the cursor on the cell. Then it will show the name.
No. Hello. Who wrote this? Hello. Who wrote this? Hello.
Me.
Me means there. Everyone is me.
Muhammad.
Ma'am.
Muhammad, see, you got the access.
Ma'am, you did not accept my request.
Ma'am, you have to what? When you put in the cell, now you have to click outside, and then the selection on the cell goes, then you will see. It's just like when you share screen on Zoom.
No. It's not like that, beta. It works like an Excel sheet. Now you have access. You can also write in the Excel this sheet, and I can also write in the same sheet. And you can see that whenever you open that sheet, you will find these data over there. And whosoever came with the help of a link, I have not accepted anybody's request. So you won't be able to access the sheet now. After the class, I'll give you the access, and then you people also able to access the sheet. Okay. And but 3 of them I have sent it with the help of a mail now. So these 3 students would be able to access right now because they have to accept my request. In the other ways, you are requesting me to give the access. See, someone is writing A over there. N. Don't do this. Write the name of the students over here. एक एक करके जल्दी जल्दी नाम लिखेंगे स्टूडेंट्स का. अच्छा, अभी हम इसमें वर्कशीट में क्या करेंगे, मैं अभी क्लास ओवर होने के बाद आई विल गिव यू द एक्सेस टू एवरीवन टू यूज दिस शीट. एंड देन व्हाट यू विल डू, राइट योर नेम and write your email ID, and then write your hobbies. And what else we can do? Write your aim of life. And we
wrote of life over
there. ये थोड़ा सा मेरा बेचारा पुराना सिस्टम हो गया है, कभी ऐसी बदमाशियां करता है. Okay, aim and anything else? हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? Yes, write about your strength, your weaknesses, just like that. Okay, so everyone, I'm going to give you the access to the sheet, and you are going to write all these fields. See, someone is playing with my sheet.
And when I click on the link, no, it is not showing.
But ma'am, the Zoom will
because listen to me.
Is ended.
After the Zoom meeting is ended.
Ma'am, I don't have
Zoom
access
meeting
till
will
yet.
be ended.
Yes, I have not allowed. No, it won't go on. you have pressed the link now. I received a mail from you. That is a request to allow you to use the sheet. I am going to allow you, give you the permission, and with the help of that, you will be able to access. If it won't happen, then I will send you the mail just
Ma'am,
like
what
I have
do
given to
Amy?
Yahya. I have given to Yahya, I have given to Anas Momin, I have given to Muhammad. So all of three, in the same way, I will give the access to the sheet to all of you. I'll mail you. Okay. Yes, Muni. Tell me what you are saying.
When I
Yes.
click on the link, it is not showing to ask for
Ma'am,
the.
you can even
Yeah,
chat
I
now.
have to allow the access. No? What, beta?
No, ma'am, I have not asked for
Ma'am,
request
what do
because it
Amy?
is not showing the option to
Aim.
ask the.
No. Just clicking into the link itself give me the mail account, mail ID. Don't worry. I'll just by 12 o'clock you will get the access of this sheet, and then you start filling up all this sections. Okay. अच्छा क्या बोला किसी ने कुछ बोला aim of life, what you want to become in your life. Okay. I'll just give you this as soon as
Ma'am,
I
you can
close
even
Zoom
chat.
meeting. Yes, we can even chat. We can even chat in the Google with the help of Google account, with our Gmail account. We can even chat over here to discuss the things how we are going to make. If we want to work together, we can do that
Where is
also.
chat option?
It must be somewhere. I've not used that, but I think you can personally
look,
message. See,
ma'am,
see,
ma'am, there is up.
here,
Yes.
here,
After Yaya,
here,
this and then you.
here. देखो अनास मोमिन ने मुझे chat भेजा है. See, we can chat also, right? Isn't it interesting? So I'll do something more. I'll allow access to everyone by 12 o'clock. Okay. So,
Ma'am, how can
bye.
we type in the chat? Where is the chat?
See my cursor, hide chat over here. Just click into the chat, open the chat, close the chat. See
Ma'am,
all
where
the
my
chat.
picture?
Yes.
Can
Yes.
you show where is the chat? I didn't saw.
Ma'am, we
Okay.
can start
Can
a
you
meeting
see
also.
the button A? Your name icon, then you can see share, then you can see this present to a meeting, then you can see comment history, then you can see document editor, and then you can see chat.
Okay.
See, ये तीन लोग मेरे chat इस sheet को access कर
Ma'am,
पा
you
रहे
can
हैं.
do video call. You can do video call also.
Yes, I think so. I have not tried that. I have to see whether this option is available with sheet also or not.
Yeah, ma'am.
But
You
with
press
Google
on.
Workspace, we can do anything altogether.
Ma'am, you press Yahya, me or Mohammad's profile, and you can see a video call option.
Yes,
PM
see. चलो देखते हैं ये भी करके. अभी सब साइड में और हम और मोहम्मद मोहम्मद will be there. See,
It will be not start because your camera and mic is on.
with a Zoom meeting. Yes, I can't go into two meetings together, right? So we will do that sometime else, or else you can practice this thing. I'll allow you, and then you will work together. Okay. So this is all for today, and we will discuss some more feature in the next class. Right? Munim, I will definitely send you a mail, or I'll give you the access. Okay. Don't worry.
Yes.
Okay. Then you can leave the meeting. Bye bye. Abdullah, abhi 5 to 10 minutes, I am going to give access to everyone. Okay. Bye.